Hi, this is Will, and in this video I will show you how you can create your ProBackup account. To get started, you can go to probackup.io and click on Start Now in the top right corner. This will redirect you to a page with all of the SaaS apps or cloud apps that we currently support. You can always choose later which apps you would like to backup, so at this point you can click on any of these apps. So in this example I will click on Asana to create my account. Then I'm redirected to the sign up page. Here I can fill in my work email. And on the second step, you can fill in your full name and passwords. I'll also check these checkboxes to receive newsletters and also agree with the terms of service. Then when you click on continue, you will receive a 6-digit code from us. So you will need to go to the inbox of your email, copy paste the code in order to be able to verify your account. So once this is done, your account is created and we've also verified your email for security purposes. After this, you're redirected to the first step of the onboarding process. As you can see here, it's a quick 4-step process. We will publish more videos on this, on how to backup or add different apps to your ProBackup account. So for now, I'll just click on I'll do this later. This brings me to a empty ProBackup account, and from here I can either click here or here to start my first backup. But for now, what I would suggest to do is that you go to Account on the top right corner, click on Account, and then scroll down to the 2-factor authentication. Because we are backing up your data, all of your Cloud Apps data is also available in your ProBackups account, so we strongly recommend to also enable 2FA. So if you click on here, you can either scan a QR code or copy paste this code in your Google or authentication app, and then from there you'll receive a 6-digit code to finalize the enabling of 2FA. I hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching.